Okay, I heard about this. NASA and Epic Games launch competition to crowdsource VR tech for Mars exploration. There's a lot of articles about this. NASA, the U.S. space agency, has partnered with Epic Games, the company behind Fortnite, to build a challenge for developers to help create a Martian metaverse experience. The challenge will include various tasks, including designing several key environments for Martian astronauts, which will be rendered using Epic Games' Unreal 5 to provide a realistic environment. That's so cool. They're going to use Unreal to do their Martian simulation. NASA to develop Martian metaverse to help in training exercises. They're trying to attract developers to help build a Martian metaverse environment to help in training purposes. The challenge, which was posted in Herox, a crowdsourcing problem-solving platform, calls for developers to aid the institution in building virtual reality XR assets and scenarios for use by NASA in research focused on extravehicular... Wait, I was reading that. Hold on. Some pop-up happened. That was getting really exciting. The challenge aims to populate an already started metaverse world, Mars XR, which has now mapped 400 kilometers squared of Mars terrain with realistic day-night cycles, all modeled with Epic Games' Unreal Engine 5, which will also be used by the developers to create the submissions in the challenge. If it's not one thing, it's another when I'm trying to record a video, I swear. The virtual experience that NASA has defined as categories for this task includes setup camp, scientific research, maintenance, exploration, and blow our minds, each one with a different purpose to fulfill. The challenge will reward the winners with a total prize purse of $70,000 shared across 20 individual prizes. This activity has already gathered a lot of attention from several groups that want to contribute to grow NASA's Martian metaverse, according to the Herox page. More than 24 teams and 237 innovators are contributing to the construction of the Martian simulation, which will help the agency to cut costs by using a virtual reality module known as Apache to train upcoming astronauts in various experiences. While institutions have been slow to adopt virtual reality and metaverse-based apps, this seems to be changing as both Microsoft and Meta are introducing virtual reality suites in the field. Sweet.